Why celery juice is so popular and what are the benefits of drinking a glass of this juice every morning? This juice offers incredible benefits which include restoring and activating the gut, aiding the liver, and healing the body. In this video, I'll share the benefits of drinking celery juice first thing in the morning, along with the simple recipe to make it in this video too. So, please keep watching this video until the end. Celery is very nutritious, and many health experts recommend drinking celery juice every morning, because it is able to maximize benefits by providing our bodies with many different types of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. Its juice is incredibly nutrient-dense and contains many nutrients in high amounts. It contains an excellent source of vitamin K, vitamin A, and folate. Celery juice is also a good source of dietary fiber while being low in calories. It also contains great levels of potassium, manganese, and vitamin C. It is great for reducing inflammation, preventing certain diseases, and can help to maintain the health of our skin. Now, let's check out some of the amazing health benefits of drinking celery juice regularly. The first thing you will notice is its improved digestion. Celery juice heals and activates the gut by restoring hydrochloric acid, which helps digest things faster and more efficiently. It helps to raise stomach acid, which is necessary to help break down food, especially protein. It has the ability to restore depleted levels of gastric mucus, which is needed in the stomach lining to heal and prevent ulcers and acid reflux. It protects against various infections. Research shows that compounds found in celery contain powerful antimicrobial properties that fight infections. It naturally boosts immunity, especially useful in fighting bacterial infections within the digestive tract and reproductive organs. Celery juice reduces uric acid and stimulates urine production. It also helps prevent UTIs, bladder, and kidney disorders. Celery juice lowers cholesterol. It is well known to naturally lower cholesterol levels in the body. This is because celery juice contains unique and important compounds that can lower bad LDL cholesterol. As well, drinking this juice can help to keep blood pressure levels healthy, especially when consumed regularly. Celery juice also helps to promote the health of our blood vessels and improve circulation. Celery juice is a natural anti-inflammatory. Regular consumption of celery juice can help to reduce inflammation in the body and promote the health and look of our skin. It is well known for being very anti-inflammatory due to its many unique and potent organic compounds. These compounds can actually help to inhibit acute inflammation. As well, celery juice is a great way to keep our skin hydrated and healthy. The high water and antioxidant content in celery juice can also help to purify the skin, prevent skin damage by removing free radicals and other toxins from the body, and help in the production of collagen. It aids in weight loss. Celery juice can also help with weight loss and healthy weight management. This is because celery juice is very low in calories and a great source of fiber. This fiber can help us to feel more full during the day, prevent snacking, and also prevent overeating. Also, it contains many important vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that can help to fuel our workouts and also nourish our body. It is very important for those individuals with a calorie-restricted diet. Celery juice is alkalizing. Actually, celery is one of the most alkaline foods you can eat. For alkaline food, I have already published a detailed video on this channel in the past. Research suggests that an alkaline diet lengthens life and prevents chronic diseases. This way you can stay away from chronic diseases. Lastly, it aids the liver. Studies show that celery helps reduce fat buildup in the liver. The nutrients in celery protect the liver and actually help the liver produce enzymes that help flush fat and toxins out. Hence, drinking celery juice is beneficial for liver health. These are some important health benefits of drinking celery juice. Now let's take a look at how to make celery juice in a juicer. First, use one bunch of organic celery, cutting off the base to separate the stalks. Next, wash them in clean water to remove any debris. Feed the celery stalks into your juicer and take out the juice. Drink immediately and not to add anything to it for the maximum benefit. For better results, make it fresh every morning. Just one glass of fresh celery juice every morning on an empty stomach can transform your health and digestion in as little as 1 week. I hope all this information will help to improve your health and wellness. Let me know if you have ever tried celery juice. You can write your experience in the comments section. If you like this information, Please press the thumbs up button on the video to support us, and share this video with your friends and family. To learn more about natural remedies and healthy foods, please subscribe and tap the bell icon below for getting regular updates. Stay fit, and thanks for watching this video.